Do you know the procedure for safely overtaking another vessel? Any vessel overtaking any other shall keep out of the way of the vessel being overtaken. A vessel shall be deemed to be overtaking when coming upon another vessel from a direction more than 22.5 degrees abaft her beam. The situation looks like this. At night, she would be able to see only the stern light of the vessel, but neither of her side lights. The night view would be like this. The red and green side lights would not be visible. When making the maneuver, the overtaking vessel should give the appropriate sound signal, and the vessel being overtaken should respond with the exact same signal. 1 or 2 short blasts, depending on which side the overtaking vessel is going to overtake the other vessel on. 5 short and rapid blasts from the overtaken vessel means danger, I fail to understand, or am not in agreement. Read the navigation rules for the complete details on the required use of sound signals. The overtaking vessel should wait for agreement from the overtaken vessel. This makes sense because the latter has the better view of the water and any hazards in their path, such as this paddler. To review the navigation rules in full, visit www.boatingmag.com/navrules.